how to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Simply open your Google Maps and then select your location. After that, you will see this option share. Simply tap on it and find WhatsApp. From here, but if you cannot find WhatsApp, you can simply tap on more, tap on WhatsApp and select the contact you want to send, and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.